In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add font awesome icons in Dreamweaver. To start, open your web browser and search for Font Awesome. Click the official result to go to the site and sign into your account. Once you're in, look for the area called Your Kits. Choose the option that says Set up icons in a project with one line of code. This will generate a small HTML snippet, typically a single script tag, that loads the Font Awesome library for your site. Click to copy that code. It's a unique link for your kit that tells your page where to fetch the icons from. Now launch Adobe Dreamweaver and open the HTML file where you want to use icons. Switch to the code view so you can edit the markup directly. In your document's head section, paste the script tag you copied from Font Awesome just above the closing head tag. This ensures the library loads before the page content. For best results, include only one kit per page, and remember that icons load from the web, so you'll need an internet connection when previewing. Head back to the Font Awesome website and search for the icons you want. If you're using the free plan, make sure you select icons labeled free. Click any icon to open its details page. You'll see a ready-made code snippet, usually an I or span element with the necessary classes. For example, click the snippet to copy it. Return to Dreamweaver and paste that icon element exactly where you want it to appear inside the body of your page, inside a button, next to a heading, or anywhere in your layout. You can add your own classes or inline styles later to adjust size, color, or spacing. For accessibility, include real text labels alongside icons so screen readers have meaningful content, and reserve icons for decoration only when they don't convey essential information. Finally, switch to Dreamweaver's live view to preview your page and confirm the icons are displaying. If you don't see them, double-check that the kit script is in the head, that you copied a free icon that matches your plan, and that the class names are intact. Saving the file and refreshing live view can also help. If you're working locally without internet, connect to the web so the kit can load. That's it. Your page now pulls in Font Awesome via your kit, and the icons you insert will render wherever you place their HTML. You're ready to build out your design with clean, scalable icons right inside Dreamweaver.